Every organisation needs to define several fundamental visionary and analytical statements to provide both stability and direction. These form a vital part of your overall strategic picture, as the statements are normally displayed just above your strategy map to demonstrate alignment between the two. Primary statements. Often an organisation beginning the strategic planning process will already have one statement that covers everything. Here is an all-in-one paragraph statement. These kinds of verbose, multi-part paragraphs are good as publicity statements. However, when used internally, they must be split into their components so they can receive individual focus and be engaged by both employees and stakeholders. The primary visionary statements begin with a core goal, vision and mission. You should aim to have between 3 and 6 primary statements, which can include a slogan or motto and a target market segment. Here are some examples of common visionary statements, starting with the core objective or core goal, which is what you will look like if you succeed in implementing your strategies and achieving your full potential. Analytical SWOT statements. Your organisation must analyse its performance and position. You should understand the multiple internal and external factors that impact on your business. Data from a range of sources including market research, demographic changes, industry reports, internal performance indicators, customer feedback and competitors analysis must be used in identifying the following. You will ultimately define a number of items in each statement area. The following lists one example of each. Secondary statements. It is recommended that you use these statements to provide a complete internal picture of your organisation. In the secondary statements you can include your organisational values to drive your internal and external behaviour and provide a unifying force. Typically you would have 4 or more value statements as well as many policies. Other groups of statements usually include customer returns or fault reporting procedures. Here are some examples of value and policy statements. Public statements. These are crafted specially for your customers to see. Whilst your internal statements and policies should always remain private, the use of an all-in-one vision statement is a good customer publicity tool. The public statements are designed to be understood by your customers so that they know you are working hard to please them. Here are some examples for Dell computers and Pfizer Pharmaceuticals. Using a strategy map to complete your own strategic picture. The primary vision, mission and goal statements should show at the top of your strategy map to build your complete strategic picture. This diagram shows a basic template for many strategy maps. The top rows of the map are considered the external interface, and this should align with and provide support to the primary statements. Your private strategic picture should be considered highly confidential to your business. It should be closely guarded and never located on an insecure web server. However, the concept of a public strategic plan is also becoming an increasingly popular business tool, particularly for service organisations. They use this to demonstrate to their customers all the hidden details and qualities of how their operations are striving to meet their customer needs. It is an excellent sales proposal tool. Customer knowledge and satisfaction is increased. Customer collaboration and communication is improved. Summary. Spending time on developing the statements we have covered in this video is the first step towards the creation of your strategic plan. This important work will be a very productive activity that builds improved staff collaboration and teamwork. Strategic planning forms the foundation of your operations and is the genesis of your future competitive advantage. Thank you for downloading and watching this presentation.